Have you ever been frustrated because your desktop or laptop was inaccessible because of pesky software updates, or it tries to reboot in the middle of an urgent task? Computing downtime costs corporations billions of dollars every year. Wouldn't it be great to know your company is isolated from ransomware or third-party software outages? Zero clients can achieve this and more. The traditional remote desktop stack requires many layers of technologies, which all require separate licensing, configuring, upgrading, performance tuning, and troubleshooting. Also, each technology layer opens a door for vulnerabilities, hackers, and patching issues. Between licensing and operational expenses, costs can reach hundreds of dollars per employee every month. What if we could think differently about IT delivery? What if we could remove the complexity and provide a simple, secure way to connect to our enterprise? This was the goal of the Department of Defense, which set out over 7 years ago to develop a zero client, which eliminates these layers at the endpoint and brings central control back to the enterprise. The zero client was developed to protect national intelligence. It enables the DoD to securely access top-secret data across the world through unsecured networks and even unsecured devices. It enables the user to leave no trace of their session on a network or device. In fact, this zero-trust architecture is now the standard way secure workspaces are delivered across top-secret agencies such as DHS, NATO, NSA, and even the Space Force. A zero client only requires a browser on your device to access a secured corporate workspace. It no longer matters what device you use to access those systems. So it could be on Windows, Linux, a Chromebook, or even an iPad. Your employees and contractors can even use their own devices. It allows your Windows desktop to be hosted anywhere and gives you access to all your applications through any browser. It's like turning your device into a secure TV. You may think this is just another thin client, but it's not. It's a zero client. To understand what I mean, let's look at the normal desktop, which is a thick client. Thick clients allow applications to run on the desktop. Therefore, the IT department has to manage every device and application separately for every employee. A thin client is a virtual desktop where all of the applications can be centrally managed, but IT still has to run agents locally at the endpoint, which must be managed and updated. This can leave them vulnerable to attacks. The zero client also centrally manages applications, but there is no IT management needed at the endpoints. The zero client operating system can also be hardened on those devices. When you compare how this impacts security, ease of management, power consumption, the cost to support IT, and even performance, the zero client makes the most sense. This zero client technology is now available for public use through Fortified Desk. Fortified Desk leverages a patented Docker-based technology to containerize every application. This works for Windows applications like Office 365 and for virtually any other legacy application, including mainframe applications. If you can access it from your Windows desktop, it can be accessed from this desktop too. In fact, because Fortified Desk leverages cloud computing power, your applications should be even faster than they were on your old desktop. Fortified Desk enables you to keep business, personal, and email applications completely separate, plus even air-gap, IoT, and industrial control applications on the same device securely. Our App Store has many apps ready to be deployed, or you can quickly build your own App Store with all of your internal applications. If you like what you see, we can give you a full tour of the incredible flexibility around administration, user management, and single sign-on too. If you want to try out Fortified Desk, we can set you up with a live demo or set up an internal demo within your enterprise in just a few hours. It requires no capital investment, and for only $15 per user per month, you can save hundreds of dollars per user every month. Contact us now to see how we can help you reduce IT outages and costs while increasing resiliency with Fortified Desk.